Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl C, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how I achieved my short passion twist. I was not expecting it to come out like this, but it came out so perfect and I ended up still loving it. The hair was provided to me by Leave In Hair. I can never say the hair properly, so it was a tongue twister for me. But it was provided to me by Leave In Hair, and it's an Amazon hair company, and I'll leave the link down to their store down below. And I did use 4 packs of these. They sent me 6 and I only ended up using 4. I used two and a half strands for each braid because I wanted it jumbo but not too big. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved the style. Stay tuned. I parted my hair off camera because I needed to see the back of my hair and I won't be able to record. But all I did was added rubber bands, use edge control, and now I'm just gonna be twisting my hair. So before adding the hair, I usually split my hair in 2, part it in 2, however you want to put it. Then I'm just going to be crocheting the hair in. Like I stated before, I used the 1.5 strand, so it could come out thick but not too thick. When I usually add the hair in, I usually make one side longer than the other. That way it comes out even and to the length that I want it to be. Now that the hair is split up in 2, I'm just going to start twisting it. I'm going to add some edge control and then twist, making everything smooth. I'm going to be going through the same steps throughout the whole video. I will list all the items that I use, all the products that I use in the description box down below. Thank you guys for watching. So I just have a feeling somebody in my comments is gonna be like, how do you wrap your hair to go to sleep? So these are bonnets that I bought. It's two-sided. This one is gold and pink. Since pink is my favorite color, I've been wearing on the pink side. I don't really like the gold side, but it don't really matter. And since I want to save my edges, that's the reason. That was the main reason why I bought these, because you can lay down your edges with it, because it has like the silk scarf going around it, you know. So I don't even know how I'm gonna put this on my head, and try not to mess up my hair or whatnot. Okay, cool. You don't have to put your hair in a bonnet like this, but for some reason, this is the way that I want to do it. This is so tight. And I use rubber bands, y'all. I'm not understanding. See, okay, so this is what my edges look like. I was feeling my baby hairs today. I don't know why. Okay, so everything is tucked in. So you're just gonna pull the back like so. And I feel like this needs to go back more. Okay, it feels better. So that's pretty much all I do to go to bed. This is how I wrap my hair for my locks, and since I just did these passion twists, it works out perfect. But you guys can find this bonnet on my website, and yeah.